What can you do to make data recovery after factory reset on Samsung in this case? At this point, you may want a tutorial to help get back the erased data on the device. Well, this page will detail how to recover data after factory reset Samsung Galaxy S5, S6, S7, S8, S9, S10, S20. Part 1. What is Samsung factory reset? Why do we need to do it? What is a Samsung factory reset? Samsung factory reset, also known as master reset, is a software restore of a Samsung device to its original system state. It wipes all of the information stored on your device. Part 2. How to recover data after factory reset Samsung Galaxy from local backup. In Samsung settings, select Cloud and Accounts Backup and Restore. Enable backup.to recover after a factory reset. Go to Backup and Restore. Choose Restore and select the backup. Choose Files to restore. Part 3. How to recover data after factory reset Samsung via Samsung account. Go to Samsung Settings and tap Accounts and Backup. Tap on Backup and Restore. Press Restore Data. Check your Samsung account and tap Restore. If prompted, push Install to restore the apps screen and home. Part 4. How to retrieve data after factory reset Samsung via Google account. Go to Samsung Settings, Accounts and Backup, Backup and Restore. Tap Google account to manage your backups. Enable the switch next to Automatic Restore to restore app settings and other data. Part 5. How to recover Samsung data after factory reset without backup. What if I don't have a backup before the factory reset? Try the Restore with Android Data Recovery.